In this video, I want to have a look at the surface area of prisms. So the surface area of a solid is the sum of the areas of all of its faces. The first example that I want to have a look at is this rectangular prism. So it's going to have 6 sides, 6 faces. It's got the top and the bottom, 2 sides, and the front and the back. But with a rectangular prism, there's going to be double ups. So the top and the bottom, they're going to be the same size. The 2 sides are going to be the same size, and the front and the back are going to be the same size as well. So what we'll do, we've got the area. It doesn't matter where you start. Let's do the bottom first. So the base of this shape is 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters, and so is the top. So we can go 4 times 2, but because there's 2 of them, we'll times that by 2 as well. If we look at the front then, we've got 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So we'll write plus 4 times 6. But because that front is the same as the back of the shape, we'll times that by 2 as well. And then we've just got our sides left. So our sides are 2 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And again, there's 2 of them. So we'll go plus 2 times 6 and times 2 because there's 2 of them. And then we're just going to type that whole thing into your calculator and you'll come out with 88 centimeters squared. And it's squared because we're still only talking about area, even though it's the surface area of a whole prism. The second example that I want to have a look at is this triangular prism. So we'll just start off picking a side to start with. Let's say we pick this triangular face on the front. So the formula for a triangle is half times the base times the height. So that's going to be half times our 8 times 3. So then we need to check whether there's any others that are the same area. So we've got the front triangle, and that back triangle is going to have the same area as well. So we'll times that by 2. Now these little marks on the sides, they mean that these 2 sides or edges are the same length. So they're both 5. And they're both 10 centimeters long, those rectangles that are slanting down the sides. So we've got 2 rectangles there that are the same size. So we'll have plus 5 times 10, because there's 2 of them, we'll times by 2. So that's the front and the back and 2 sides. So then we've just got the base of the shape there, which is another rectangle, and it's 8 meters by 10 meters. So we'll go plus 8 times 10. And go through again and put it all in your calculator, and you'll end up with 204 meters squared. So it's a few examples of finding the surface area of prisms.